This metal remembers. Bend it, twist it, crush it. It shouldn't go back, but it does. Perfectly. Like nothing ever happened. This is Nitinol, a metal that doesn't just change shape, it remembers it. At first it looks normal. You can bend it into anything. Leave it warped, deformed, broken looking. Then you add heat, and suddenly it moves. Not slowly, instantly, snapping back to its original form. So what's happening inside? At the atomic level, the structure shifts. When it's cool, the atoms sit in one arrangement. Flexible, easy to bend. But when it heats up, they rearrange, locking back into a precise pattern, forcing the entire metal to return to its original shape, like it was programmed. And this isn't just a lab trick, it's inside your body. Medical stents made from Nitinol are inserted in a compact form, then expand on their own once inside blood vessels. No motors, no electronics, just heat. It's used in glasses that won't stay bent, in spacecraft that unfold themselves in space, all from a discovery that happened by accident in a US Navy lab, a metal that doesn't forget. So the next time something bends, imagine if it could choose to become whole again.
Thanks for exploring the universe with us. Keep your curiosity in orbit, tap subscribe,